Picture this: a sun-dappled New Brunswick morning, your coffee steaming beside you, and the keys to our 2025 Volkswagen Taos Trendline all-wheel drive in hand. The road ahead isn't just calling, it's promising adventures, whether you're zipping downtown, heading to camp, or cruising along the coast with family. At Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer, we've got your next perfect ride. This compact SUV is built for life in New Brunswick. All-wheel drive offers confidence through unexpected rain and slick roads, while the spacious interior, with flexible cargo space, handles everything from backpacks to weekend getaways. Comfy seating, air conditioning, and smart technology like smartphone connectivity make everyday drives smooth and enjoyable. Safety shines with available features like a rear-view camera and blind spot monitoring, keeping every trip stress-free from city parking to highway bridges. Plus, with our dealership perks, a 12-month huggable guarantee, balance of factory warranty, full tank of gas, nitrogen tire program, a spin on our spin-to-win wheel and more, we're making sure you leave smiling. Your versatile, capable, and stylish adventure partner is waiting. Visit Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals today and take it for a spin.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.